Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to delete a YouTube channel. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. First, open your browser, then search for YouTube. So here is my account on which YouTube channel is created. So simply move to your channel. Now open settings of this channel. In the left side, you see a setting option. Click on it. After clicking, you can see that setting is open. Now here you see many options like your YouTube channel, channel status, create a new channel, view advanced setting. You have to move to view advanced settings. So after moving to view advanced settings, scroll down and in the last you see an option of delete channel. Click on it. After clicking on delete channel, it requires your password. So give your password and after giving the password, it wants confirmation message like you want to permanently delete or not. Click permanently delete and your channel will be deleted from YouTube. So this is the simple way to delete a YouTube channel. Hope this video helped to solve your problem of how to delete a YouTube channel. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.